Good, good morning. Thanks for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, September 26th. We've been seeing some mostly cloudy skies and patchy fog out there this morning. That is starting to burn off just a little bit. What we do still anticipate some pretty low ceilings through the lunchtime hour, and then this afternoon it should clear out and give us some pretty good sunshine with highs up into the mid to perhaps even upper 80s. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, saw another very, very warm day for this time of year across the region, with most locations reporting highs in the mid 80s. Only cool spot that didn't reach 80 degrees was up in Baltimore with a high of 79. This morning saw very unseasonably warm lows once again across the region, with lows down in the mid 70s. These are lows more typical of late July, or right now our low average for Wallops for this time of year is around 59. So seeing lows 15 degrees above average, which has been pretty normal for the past 6 weeks or so. We've seen about 10 days this month alone where we've tied or broken the record high low temperature each morning. So it's been a long stretch of very warm low temperatures for the past month or so. And we are going to continue to see that for the next day or two here. Did see some scattered showers across the region, especially near Norfolk yesterday, with some locations seeing a couple hundredths of an inch. Down in Norfolk, they saw a little bit more, around a third of an inch of rain. Here at Wallops, we just saw a trace of rain as a little shower moved over the area between about 4 and 5 p.m. yesterday afternoon. And as of 9 a.m., we're seeing another warm day for this time of year across the region develop, with temperatures already up into the mid to upper 70s for most locations under cloudy skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, seeing some southwesterly winds at the surface and pretty much across the entire column up to 25,000 feet this morning. Also not seeing a whole lot of wind shear speed-wise either, as winds are running around 10 to 15 knots between the surface and 12,000 feet, and then just around 15 to 20 knots from 16 to 25,000 feet. So very stagnant winds across the entire column this morning, with a freezing level just below 15,000 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we do have that patchy fog and that across the area, somewhat associated with that weak low that we did talk about during our briefing yesterday. This morning, that low has all but fallen apart. Just a little area of thunderstorms well offshore now is all that really remains of that weak low. That'll continue to weaken and move off northeast of the area. Meanwhile, we do have that cold front stretch across the Ohio Valley this morning, just to the west of the Appalachians, and that's going to continue to track eastward throughout the day, and it should arrive to our area near midnight tonight. We are going to be seeing a chance of some isolated showers develop, mainly after 8 p.m., with the best chance of rain occurring near midnight, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm with that cold front passage. And then that cold front does look like it is going to stall out, giving us some rainy conditions for the next couple of days. Taking a look at our satellite radar loop across the area, can't really see the low clouds on this depiction here, but you can see where we're seeing those southwesterly winds across the region. Those will pick up a little bit as we go towards the afternoon, helping to raise our temperatures to a very warm into the mid 80s here at Wallops, possibly seeing upper 80s up in the more central portion of the Delmarva. And you can see those rain showers associated with that front across far western portions of the mid-Atlantic, and those will continue to push eastward throughout the day. Taking a look at our forecast charts here, we are going to see those low clouds burn off this afternoon, giving us some good sunshine, which will help boost those temperatures up and raise the instability in advance of that cold front that'll be approaching the area tonight. As we go into tonight, it does look like our best chance for some rain is going to be around midnight, as that cold front crosses the area, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm or two. Higher chances of thunderstorms look to be up near the Salisbury area, with a little bit lower chances down here. But it does look like a decent chance of some shower activity everywhere across the peninsula. As we go into tomorrow, that front does look like it's going to stall out across far southern portions of the Delmarva, and that's going to give us a very cloudy day with low ceilings throughout the entire day. Temperatures will also be cooler, as we're going to get a bit of a northerly flow, and it does look like we are going to be seeing some periods of rain throughout the entire day tomorrow, possibly even seeing a slight chance of a thunderstorm towards the late portion of Thursday into Thursday evening, but models are a little bit unsure about that. But it does look like it is going to be a very dreary day tomorrow with periods of rain and drizzle throughout the day. Then as we go into Friday, it does look like that rain will continue through at least the first half of the day Friday, and then we'll get that front pushing a little bit farther south, helping to move that rain out of the area as well, and we'll start to get some more drier air slowly filtering in the late afternoon hours Friday. And then that's going to be the first chance we're going to finally see some sunshine return late Friday afternoon before sunset, and then we're going to get some high pressure building in for the weekend, giving us some much drier conditions with sunny skies and much more seasonable temperatures. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, you can see we're just seeing those ceilings were below 500 feet earlier this morning. Still patchy areas with ceilings below 500 feet, but they are starting to clear up just a little bit. And then by this afternoon, we'll see some mostly sunny skies by the late afternoon hours with a high of 86 expected. Winds are going to be maxing out around 8 to 13 knots from the southwest this afternoon, and then remaining southwest this evening, and then overnight behind that cold front they're going to shift northwesterly and then northerly by mid-morning Thursday at around 5 to 10 knots. Going to be seeing a slight chance of shower activity in advance of that cold front between 8 p.m. and midnight, with a slight chance of a thunderstorm as well, but the best chance for rain is going to come after midnight as that cold front crosses the area and stalls out south of the region, with rain chances lingering throughout Thursday morning and into the day Thursday as well. We're going to see a low tomorrow, likely late in the morning Thursday, as the temperatures are going to be dropping throughout the day. Low is going to be 70 as of 8 a.m. and then possibly a couple degrees lower than that as the temperature continues to drop through the morning hours. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing those ceilings pretty low for the next hour or so, and as we go afternoon, we'll see them start to raise up a little bit, possibly becoming just scattered at 2,500 and scattered at 15,000. And this afternoon, seeing mostly sunny skies with scattered at 3,000 and scattered at 15,000 continuing. And then when it's going to this evening, that's when we'll see our ceilings drop, mainly after 9 p.m. and any shower activity. We'll see those ceilings drop down between 2,500 and 5,000 feet, possibly down to 2,000 feet in any thunderstorm activity, and that'll continue throughout much of the night. After 3 a.m., when that front starts to settle in, we believe those ceilings are going to lower down between 500 and 1,000 feet, mainly after 3 a.m., and then that's going to continue throughout the Thursday morning hours and possibly even into Thursday afternoon as well, with continued chances of shower activity. We are still seeing tides 1 foot above normal across the area. For tomorrow, like I said, we're going to be seeing a cloudy day with periods of rain throughout the day. It's going to be much cooler. Our high is going to happen early in the morning and then dropping throughout the day with an early high of 72. Can't rule out a very slight chance of a thunderstorm late in the afternoon or early in the evening Thursday, but not looking too likely at this time. And then Thursday night, going to be still looking at cloudy skies with a chance of scattered light rain showers continuing. Low's going to be 67 early. It does look like we are going to see those winds shift a little more southerly starting Thursday night, and that'll help increase the temperature throughout the night. So going to expect that low to happen Thursday evening and then increasing throughout the overnight hours. Friday, still going to be looking at a cloudy and rainy morning, but it does look like once we get into the afternoon hours, that rain will be tapering off, and then some dry air will be filtering in, helping to clear out those clouds, and we'll see some sunshine once again late in the day on Friday, looking at a high of 78. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, that front's going to be giving us those persistent cloudy conditions once we get into late tonight and into tomorrow. We are going to be seeing that slight chance of a thunderstorm with that cold front passage tonight. Tomorrow's going to be much cooler than today with persistent cloudiness and rain at a high of 72. Then Friday, we're going to be seeing that front move out of the area, and then we'll see a rainy morning with some clouds, sun peeking in for the afternoon with a high of 78. And then for the weekend, we're going to get a nice big high pressure system building into the area. That'll help to give us some much more seasonable temperatures. Still going to be seeing those low temperatures a couple degrees above average due to the warm sea surface temperatures offshore. So where we should be seeing lows in the upper 50s, we're going to be seeing those lows in the low to mid 60s for the weekend and early next week. Highs will be in the mid 70s under partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, as we will have that nice big area of high pressure in control helping to dry us out and give us some much more pleasant conditions. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.